In this video, you are going to see how to write inside the shape in Microsoft Word, as you can see here. Let's get started. To type inside the shape, let us go to Insert, go to Shape and pick a shape of your choice. Let us choose this one, the triangle shape. Hold down the Shift key and drag it over here. Now if you want to write inside it, click on right button and click on Add Text and write your text. Now if you want to change the fill color, click on it, go to shape format, go to shape fill, you can change the fill color. If you want to change the outline, go to shape outline, make it no outline. If you want to change the text color, select it, go to home, you can change it from here. If you want to change the shape fill, just go to shape format, go to shape fill, make it no fill and go to shape outline and you can give outline color. And this is perfect. Now if you want to increase the text size, this is also possible. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.